Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the importance of bryophytes. Now, bryophytes are of great ecological importance. Following are the important aspects where we can infer that bryophytes are very important in the ecosystem. Number one is that they were the pioneers of land plants. They were the first to move from the aquatic environment and they moved to the land, to the barren rocks and barren mountains. So this is a great leap for the plants to move from aquatic environment to the land plants, and bryophyte has a very important role in this great leap. Now, number two is that they save the soil erosion. They are very important in a sense that they act as a bed on the soil, on the Rocky Mountains and different areas. They act as a bed of grass. So they prevent the soil from the erosion by binding it, just like a soil binder. The prevention of soil erosion is done by following step. For example, when there is a heavy rain, they bear the impact of falling of rain. So when rainwater touches the soil, it doesn't have much impact because all of the impact is borne by these bryophytes. They also hold much of the falling water and also reduce the amount of runoff water. They also help in soil formations because they are small in size, but they are very important that whenever they are attached or they grow on the rocks, they slowly erode those rocks and they convert it into soil. So they are also important in the formation of soils. Also in the BOG succession, in the bog succession, peat moss especially change the banks of lakes or shallow bodies of water into solid soil because they suck the water out of that muddy water or the muddy soil and transpire it into the air. Thus, it creates the solid land out of those water bodies. Then they are also known as the rock builders. Some mosses they have a great association with the special type of green algae, and this association is known as chara. It grows in water of streams and lakes, and it contains large amount of calcium bicarbonate, and it acts as a reservoir of a lot of different varieties of fish as well as small insects, which are the important part of those, the food chain of those fishes. Then when we talk about the medicinal importance of some of the bryophytes, they are also very important. They have been used in different medicines. The example include like some of the bryophytes that of Merchantia species. They are used in pulmonary tuberculosis and treatment of affliction of liver. They have been successfully used since ages. Then we have other diseases like acute hemorrhage and diseases of eye. For this, we have another type of bryophytes they call as decoction of sphagnum. Then, in order to treat the stones of kidney and stones of gallbladder, we have another type of bryophytes known as Polytrichum commune. They are very effective in treating these diseases. Then we have some bryophytes, including mosses. They are used as food for the chicks, for different birds, and the reindeers of Alaskans.